Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing very well. Unfortunately, I couldn't record the FOMC event live because the pressure is so high and volatility is skyrocketing during these times. So I couldn't engage my brain into two different activities. But anyhow, we managed to get a trade on euro. Let me show you here. Okay, so now I'm going to break through this trade using my trading view chart here. As you can see, this horizontal line with this blue color at 1810, euro actually came down to this low here around 7:30 p.m. and then it bounced all the way up to 1847 here. So during the interest rate release, which was the first news, the market actually bounced and it actually tested this area, but actually couldn't sustain the upside move, as I was seeing that the momentum on the other hand side wasn't shifting. So my trigger point to take a trade was if market breaks the 1810, just like I have shown you here at. So the plan was if euro breaks 1810, then I'll sell stop here, placing my stop at 1850, right? So market actually came down to 1810, but it couldn't close below. As you can see, it closed higher and then it bounced all the way back to around 1840s area, and then it actually tested this area again and making a low to 1804, right? And then it bounced ultimately. So my plan actually got changed, and then we were looking for 1.1803 area, so which was the low. And as I kept telling the guys, euro still holding above 1810, waiting for the press. So this trade was taken actually after the press release. As you can see, market came down here and then it broke the 1803 area. So my order got filled and it actually went close to my first target, which was around 80s, but it actually bounced, and I see the overnight high it made was around 1819. My idea was right, and euro fell during this Tokyo session and almost making a low to 1.1737. So hitting both of my targets, as I have shown you, making me roughly around $460 here. Okay, London session is almost about to start just in 20 minutes and euro got good volatility. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Give me a thumbs up and I'm gonna see you later.